Coming off a historic season, Bowling Green seniors Katie Kidwell and Kirsty Shaw deciding they want one more go around, and they are using their extra year of eligibility to return to the Stroh Center and finish what they started. Aside from the stats and the accomplishments on the court, the program looks forward to the impact the duo will have on the team this upcoming season off the court as well.
I really feel fortunate to have another year with them, to have them in the gym. Not just what they bring to the court, but they're such an important part, that piece of leadership that we had last year on our team. And, you want your seniors, you hope that your seniors are going to develop into team leaders, and on the court, off the court, they say if you whoever leads the locker room, that's how good a team is going to be. And we definitely had a great leadership in the locker room. So everybody knows how great Katie is on the court. She's one of the best middles, if not the best middle in the MAC, all conference. Having that again experience and going into her fifth year, it's priceless. You can't put a tag what it means. And then Kirsty, being a role player defensive specialist, is important. So I see Kirsty as a glue of our team, and she is one of the most respected, if not the most respected teammate among her us coaches and her teammates.
With it being an easy decision, I mean, like, we have a great coaching staff. Like, they take things seriously, and they're very dialed into what our program is about, and especially the players too and my teammates. But yeah, I'm just super fortunate and super grateful that this opportunity had come about, and I'm ready to get things started again.
We'll have more with Shaw and Kidwell on their decision to continue their Falcon careers tomorrow on Sports Nightly.